was your highlight during the Why Stop at Zero Mobility Challenge?
I think people, very bright people, very open people, very brave, because you know it's not an established market, it's not an established business right now. People, this is my highlight. I very enjoyed it.
I would say the highlight was cooperating with other companies, and most importantly, getting information across to the larger audience, like our jury, and to the Airbus and to X-Works.
I would like to present there a few new prototypes. That would be nice, because that is really showing reality. That's more convincing than showing a presentation on a video screen. I was glad to have such a professional audience.